Alright, cool. Thumbnail vibes, you know what's up. What's up with y'all, man? It's your boy Big J 97. You know what I'm saying? We back with another video. Today we got a Instagram designer luxury exclusive. You know what I'm saying? Basically what that means is I was scrolling Instagram, I found something. It was designer / luxury, and it looked at exclusive because ain't nobody I follow them. So I had to cop a pair. You know how it go, bro. You know how it go. Now, I've seen a couple videos of these on YouTube, but not this shoe, and it was all like older models, and it was mainly YouTubers in the UK. So I might be the first one with the American sneaker review of these right here. We got Mallet London in the cut, man. Mallet London in the cut. And I will tell y'all, this box heavy as hell. Let's say on the back. I showed y'all, now let me read it. This box is made with a minimum 80% recycled material. That's fire. Give y'all a little sneak peek of what we got in the box. This model here is called the GRFTR, and this color is blue dip. Blue dip, man. Box, we like strong boxes. That's a good box. Got a little envelope. See what's in the envelope. Hold up, cuz. Not our car getting full. We're gonna be right back. We gotta clear something off the card. Alright, y'all, we back. Yeah, we back. I put a different card in because I gotta export the stuff off the other card. It was taking a minute, so we just came back. But back to this Mallet London, man. You got this envelope. Inside the envelope, wait a minute. Oh yeah, it's one pair of laces. Well, I thought it was like two pair of laces, bro. Yeah, you got one pair of laces, extra laces. Got mallet on the eyelet, aluminum eyelets. That's dope. Put them back in the little envelope. Okay, we got one of these things. I think this is like to help you get your heel in the shoe. That's pretty cool. Mallet on it in gold. It's shiny black. Mallet London. One of the best feeling dust bags I done had yet. Gold foil like Mallet London on there. Real smooth dust bag, real smooth dust bag. Feel good. Feel good. Definitely gonna probably drop the shoes in there. Mallet London on the paper. There's something else I wanted to show y'all. They put foam on each side to keep the shoe from rubbing against the box. That's pretty dope. Alright, here we go. Bam. Look at that, bro. You ain't seen nothing like it, bro. Look at that, bro. That's crazy. I think this is calf skin too, like calf skin leather. Kind of like the McQueens and everything. You got Mallet London pressed in on the side right there. You got Mallet London pressed in on the tongue. You got a nice insole, look like it's comfortable. You can see the cushion layer inside that thing. You got Mallet in the blue on the bottom of the shoe, and then London going straight across there. And they said this is like a resin dip or something like that. I'm not quite sure. But you got Mallet on the back right there too. You know what I'm saying? Good leather on these, man. Good leather on these. Metal eyelets, of course, just like the extra pair. Mallet on the eyelets. It's kind of like an off-white but white color, I would say. It's off-white but it's regular white. It's off-white but regular white. Crazy shoe no matter what, bro. These hit me for, I think these are going for $280 US. $280 US. Definitely worth it. Leather out, full leather outside, full leather inside. Let me show y'all. Full leather inside. Other than the back of the tongue, which is like a mesh type of material with the sizing tag on it. But all it is full leather all the way down. It's full leather all the way down on the sides, insole, everything. Let's see if we can pop it out to show y'all how thick it is. Oh, that's crazy. Mallet on the bottom of the insole and like a black rubber hard plate. That's crazy. But look how thick that insole is compared to a lot of shoes. That's a thick insole, man. That's got some comfort. And it got like a gel bottom and then like the leather layer separating. I guess this is somewhat support right here. Yeah, you can see the stitching on the inside. It's really leather all the way down. We're gonna slide that back in there. That's a dope insole. I never took it out. I ain't never wore the shoe nowhere else. Shit, I just got it. So let's see if we can spread that back out. Jesus. Hold up now. I'm having a little time doing that. Let's see. Okay. There we go. Woo, took a minute. But that's a crazy shoe, right? And like this is, you know, they say this, it got like a rubbery feel to it, like it got a grip to it, so you might not slip too bad. I still wouldn't recommend wearing these on the ice though. This how it came wrapped. They was wrapped up like this. We're gonna open the other one just to show y'all both of them. Throw this paper over the ledge. I think I put this one on. All paper get thrown over the ledge, okay? It's a crazy shoe, bro. They need to drop more colors, like red, blue, orange, like whatever. Like right now they got this blue one, they got a all black one, they got a pink one, and then another all black one. But the blue one and one of the all blacks is for men, and then the pink and the other all black is for women. So they only got three colorways basically. We need more colors of these, man. These is crazy. It say 12 in there, but this is a 13. I don't remember what state size and that is. I think that's EU. I think that's Europe. 12 in Europe, a 46 in UK, a 13 US. So yeah, dope shoe, bro. Look at that. Fire. I'll be sure to put the link to these down in the description for sure. I might put them in a pinned comment. Yeah, I'm gonna put the link to these in a comment, in a pinned comment. If I could do that and y'all can click it. If y'all can't click it, I'll just put it in the description, or I'll put it in both. It don't matter to me. But yeah, bro, that's the Mallet London. You will be seeing more of these. You'll see more of these, more of this brand. Yeah, I like the quality, bro. I like the shoe. Nobody is gonna really know what these are over here because it's mainly something that's in the UK. Like I said, I seen a bunch of videos, but I don't think any of them were from people in the US. So I might be the first to post a YouTube video with them in the US. If so, that's cool. If not, still cool. You know what I'm saying? Back tab matching the sole, you know what's up. But yeah, man, dope video, dope shoe, real dope shoe. Yeah, real dope shoe, bro. Real dope shoe. Like the leather reminds me of my McQueen's, and it's like a third of the price damn near. So, well, I'm gonna say half. It's like half the price. These like $280. McQueen's like $530, I think. I don't know. Shit, I don't know. But look, to the next video, man. Like I always say, like if you want to, subscribe if you want to, because at the end of the day, you're gonna do what you want to do. You know what I'm saying? Go tell everybody you know to come over here and subscribe, because we get to it on this side. It's your boy Big Jane 97. To the next video, man. I'm out.